So I am extremely passionate about Agile and helping teams. But on this journey as being an Agile coach or an Agile practitioner, there was just a whole lot of myths around Agile that I wanted to demystify. So for example, Agile is Scrum. So it's an idea that the Scrum methodology means that we are doing Agile and we don't see Agile as an umbrella of all these multiple principles and disciplines. I've actually tried to make it a little interesting. So I'm going to go through like some of the hair-pulling moments, so these Agile myths, and I'm going to have certain personas. So for example, I'm going to wear a hat when I talk about the hair-pulling moment, and I'm going to be this persona called Vanessa. And Vanessa is a product owner, and she went through training, and she feels that, Agile is Scrum. So she's going to come in and talk about why she thinks Agile is Scrum, and then that scene will cut, and then I'll get to the aha moment, and the aha moment I'll present some of the principles and theories. So for example, explain that, Agile is an umbrella and there's all these different practices. Just as an organization, just pick the ones that make sense to you, but try to adhere to the principles around Agile. So it's going to be this fun improv acting on the hair pulling moment, and then we go back into like a classroom type environment and we talk about some of these theories and principles. So the thing that I would like everyone to get out of my talk is just seeing the bigger picture of things, and also understanding that, yes, there's all these misconceptions, and there's nothing wrong with having the misconceptions, just getting that you're on the journey, and there's going to be time that you're going to be frustrated or you don't understand certain things, and that's okay. Understand that it's about continuous learning and picking the things that make sense right now, and it's not a destination. So how I feel that Agile or the Agile community is growing is you can see it in the conference. I feel that 4 years ago you had quite a few sponsors, and you can actually see the growth of sponsors right now. You actually have everyone from representation from the financial institutes, from insurance, from little startups, and not really great big ones. I mean, not great. Of course they're great, but like really small ones that are actually sponsoring and ensuring that they people actually come here to learn more about Agile. And I found that great. An interesting one is, I think through a conversation with someone, they mentioned that, Agile Africa is very techy. I'm actually seeing people that are outside of even building those digital solutions that are coming here. So for example, I saw some colleagues that are in the data warehouse space, and they want to come to this Agile conference to figure out how to be more collaborative, which is different to the traditional digital space or your websites and your mobile, interested in coming to conferences like this. I'd like to say thank you to the Agile Africa organizers and the fact that I got selected here. I know a whole lot of people that I work with, which I think are really amazing, and they submitted talks and they weren't able to get at Agile Africa. So I'm really grateful for the opportunity and the platform to share my learnings that Agile Africa has provided. Also would like to say thank you to my family, who have just been like, woo, you got this, and KMC, the people who helped me on my slides and getting it right, and Regina as well. She's part of the Agile Africa committee, who just helped me with some of my dry runs. Yeah, that's what I want to say thank you about.